Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today we're going to be opening up one of these. These are the Goodwill blue boxes. This is a plush box, of course. Haven't done one of these in a long time. Had them sitting in the corner over there for like 6 months. I believe they raised the price to like 25, maybe more. I haven't checked in a while. But I have 2 of these left, so I'm going to open up one today. I want to thank the people that bought me a plush. Well, it's buymeacoffee.com, but I have it under Buy Me a Plush. I want to thank a couple people. Unfortunately, I can't find the names. Buy Me a Coffee's not telling me the names right now. I don't know if their website is down or what's going on, but you know who you are. I appreciate it. Thank you for the few people that have purchased a plush for me, and I'm going to open this box for you. Let's do it. Alright, let's get the scissors to this thing. And it's super dusty. Oh man. I should have wiped it down. But like I said, it's been sitting in the corner of my living room for a little while. My cats use it as steps to to jump on the boxes. They like jumping on the boxes, so. Alright, anyways, let's see what we got. Hopefully it's not a lot of Beanie Babies and crap. But, hey, Beanie Babies still sell. Alright, first one, we have like a Minecraft creature. This one is not official Minecraft, so I might just toss this guy out. It will say Minecraft or something on the tag. This is just a fake Minecraft, so I will probably just be tossing this one out. I don't want to get zeroed on Minecraft, so it's not even going to get donated. This one's just going straight to the trash, or I'll put some catnip on it and let my cats play with it. Alright, what's next? Let's see. Oh, great. Fun. We get the Thai Beanie Baby. This is $19.99. I have a ton of these, so I'll probably just lot like 3 of these together and put them up for 20 bucks. But yeah, not too excited with the Beanie Babies. Here's another one. This is sorbet, I believe. Oh, Sammy. It's got like a sorbet color on it. But yeah, I just lot those bears together. Oh, cool. We got another one. This might be not a great box, but we'll keep going. We got Aaron, McDonald's. I mean, they're worth nothing. I mean, even if you get you'd have to get like 5 of them to make 20 bucks. Those McDonald's ones are worth nothing. Now, this one's actually worth something. This is a Father's Day one. I've sold these for $16, so it's got the little tie on him. I think his name is Pops. Yeah, his name is Pops. See right there. Not gonna focus on it. But yeah, his name is Pops. These sell for about 16 bucks. So he will sell for sure, especially around Father's Day. So that is a good one. We have a Beanie Boo. This is Freeze. Unfortunately, they have some names on the tag. What I usually do is I just get the black marker and completely mark, usually just a box on it. Because I think it sells better with the box than somebody's name on it. So these guys, since they're the Beanie Boos, I'm sure it'll sell for about $16. It's got a got a little bracelet on them. It's nasty bracelet. It's like sticky. Yeah, whatever. Let's go to the next. Oh, we have another sorbet one. There we go. I guess I'll bundle these guys together. This one's like a pastel. I'll bundle those together and maybe get $15 out of it. The end. We have the New Year's bear. Again, this one will sell because it's New Year's. It's got some fuzz on them. The New Year's one will sell about 16 bucks. So that's what probably I'll list it at. I'll probably list it at 17 and take 16 or even $15 offer on it. Oh, this was a cool one. I don't remember this one. This is Leanne. I guess this MU or MH guy, I guess is a box that he donated. It was going for 50 cents. Yeah, this is a cool one. I don't remember this Leanne what it sells for, but looks closer to like a $20 plush. If hopefully it is. All right, what is next? Oh, we have another one. We have a 2000 Beanie Baby. This is yeah. I see it here. We got a USA one. We got like 2 sets of $20 over here going. Oh, here we go. What is this? Has like a cool design on the puppy dog. I'm not sure. I've seen these before, but the tag is torn off, so not sure what he goes for. I'm guessing about $16 for this one. He's small. You can see he's smaller than my hand. So, yeah, he's not going to sell for much, but he's cute, and he has a nice, like, swirl design on him. And like I said, I don't remember what the name of him was, but I've had him before. Alright, we have a Husky one. The Huskies do pretty well. Anytime you see a Husky, you can get usually about at least $15 for him. This one's a little bit bigger. So what is his name? His name is Slush, so I'm figuring about $20 for him. That's what I'll list him at. I got to cut off a little thread from him, but yeah, as long as his eyes are clear. If not, I have the Novus liquid that that shines up and repairs, and if you need a second step, yeah, it'll repair his eyes pretty well. So if you need that, it's down below if you're looking for, if you need any eyes like repaired like those. And it works good on discs too, like CDs and DVDs. Oh, here we go. We have an Ewok. Finally, we got a nice good plush. Probably get like $22 for this guy. His eyes are hidden. I gotta open his eyes. Yeah, finally got a good plush. This one will be about $22 for the Ewok. Some of them go for more money, but so I will, of course, check the comps on him. All right, what else we? Oh no, not another one. We got another one of these guys. This is Clubby. Oh, like to club him. All right. Oh, man, we got a huge mini pillow. I haven't checked comps on mini pillows in a long time. I have the towels, and those go for about $20, and the plush at decent sizes will go for 20. So I'm figuring this nice big pillow will go for about 25. It's different. I rather have the pillow than the plush, honestly, because I have so many of the plush, so I do not need any more Minnie or Mickeys right now. What else do we have? We have, this is Glamour. Just sold this guy. I believe he only went for like $14. So yeah, I'll list him at 15 or even $15.99 and take an offer 14 if I have to. But yeah, he's just a cute little leopard. At least the eyes are nice. They're not all scratched, so I don't even have to fix these eyes. What else do we have? We have Kelly Toy glow-in-the-dark like shark. I'm sure I can get something out of this. I mean, since it's like the fluorescent, I'll make sure to put fluorescent and green in the title, and people will actually want this guy. I'm sure I can get at least $16 for him. Yeah, anything fluorescent or different colors will always sell, even though he's really cheap. You can see he's not well made, but someone will buy him. We have, who is this guy? This is Fluffy. Again, we have another nasty bracelet on him. I guess the child or the mom made a bracelet for every Thai toy that this guy had. Anyways, Fluffy, again, it's not going to go for much. Probably like $16. Let's see, what else do we have? Ooh, what is this? Oh, this is weird. I've never seen this. Katherine Wright? So, is the glasses supposed to be on her like that? I don't know. I really got to check this one out. This is from Creation Station. I have not seen her before. So, hopefully a minimum of $20. I mean, it's well made. You can see on the shoes, they're like probably not real leather, but it's pleather. It's faux leather, so really nicely made. So hopefully at least $20-$25 on her. And I gotta see if these glasses go to her or not. But hey, nice little find there. And oh no, she's got a little purse. I didn't even see that. She's got a little purse. What else do we have? We have another nasty bear. I don't need that. Really don't. Oh, okay. We have a little dog. Don't need that either. Here, cats, go play. And another bear. Man, I am seeing... Oh, I'm not liking these bears at all. This is Huggy. I don't want to hug him. I want to throw him. Oh, okay. We have... Who is this guy? This is Stripes. Stripes again. $16 I'll list him at. Take an offer of $14 if I have to. But yeah, nothing special on all these Beanie Boos. Hopefully when I look them up, I'll get surprised. But I doubt it. Alright, what else do we... Holy cow, we got a fish. Do we have a monster fish? Look at this thing. This guy is awesome. This makes up for the whole box. You can see how shiny he is. I'll make sure to put lifelike when I list this guy. Probably looking at a good $50 on this. I mean, there are fishermen everywhere and people looking for fish memorabilia everywhere. So do not ever, if you find fish stuff or aquatic stuff or like hooks or rods and reels, anything to do with fishing, even that stupid fish that hangs on the wall and sings to you, don't ever pass them up. Make sure you comp them, because fishing stuff, people love to fish, and odd things like this will sell. Like I said, this should sell. This should give him, if I could speak, this should get a good amount of money on this guy. Put him over there. Super fluffy. And him to ship, he'll be super simple. I will just fold him in half and throw him in a poly bag. He'll be fine. You can see how small I got him. Because if you have them too big, the postage will cost a lot. So if the smaller you can get them, this one will squish a lot. It'll save you a lot of money. So you're going from like $20 to ship if you have them like that, to like 9 or 10 if you really squish this guy. Because dimensions do count when you're shipping out items. What else do we have? Of course. What would I do without another Beanie Baby? Yeah, this is a Beanie Baby box. Super happy with the fish. The fish should get a lot of money. But the Beanie Babies, not so much. Anyway, that is it with the box. Thank you again for whoever donated to me. I appreciate it. Sorry I don't have your names. Buy Me a Coffee did not pull them up for me when I was doing the video. But anyways, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I got a lot of Beanie Babies to list. Yay. Take care. Bye.